Macha, the goddess of sovereignty, war, and curses. From cursing kings to outrunning horses, Macha's myth is one of power, tragedy, and triumph. Test your knowledge of this fearsome goddess. How did Macha prove her speed? What animal is linked to Macha? Which group suffered Macha's curse? Who forced Macha to race? Where did Macha curse the men? What land is sacred to Macha? What feat did Macha perform? What does Emain Macha mean? What was Macha's role in war? How did Macha die? What is Macha known for? How did Macha punish Ulster? What was the result of Macha's curse? Who was Macha's husband? Which cycle features Macha? What did Macha do before racing? Through speed, curses, and sovereignty, Macha's tale endures. Did you master the stories of this fierce goddess? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.